And we look also, try and say the D graphs that makes the sound to say that the schwa sound and the vowel sounds are the silent or weak in what? In words. Okay, read us. Let's go.
The schwa sound. The schwa sounds are the vowel sounds that are silent or weak in words. Alone, around, away, ago, arrest, pastor, doctor, monitor, alligator, mentor, vowel, listen, sudden, hidden, number, winter, plumber, summer, printer, cotton, button, captain, mountain, fountain, picture, future, mixture, lecture, nature.
Okay, good. Would anyone make a sentence with any of the words? Make a sentence with any of the words? Yes.
I would like to be a policeman in the future.
Police, right? So the letter O sounds per. Per is a weak sound. Yes, any other person?
I had a mixture of eggs and milk together.
Lovely. Had a mixture of eggs and milk together, right?
I saw the picture.
I saw a picture. Yes.
They left me alone.
The left what?
They left me.
He left me alone. Good. Yes.
I would like to be a captain in the future.
Like to be a captain in future. Yes.
My father is a pastor.
Again.
My father is a pastor.
My father is a pastor. Good one. Yes.
I would want to be a doctor.
I would want to be a doctor. Yes.
My father is not around.
My father is not around. Yes.
I called a plumber.
I called the plumber. Sweet. Yeah. Okay.
I saw someone on the mountain.
I saw someone on the mountain. Let's put our hands together for ourselves. We've done great. Good one. Thank you.